Hi there, and welcome to another fundamental lesson. In this lesson, I'll be teaching you about chromatics. Chromatics are when you play three or more notes that are all within a semitone of each other. So, for example, playing from the G note to the A note, if I was to play that chromatically, I would get from the G to the A chromatically with semitones. So, start on the G, semitone, and then to A. I have just used a chromatic to get from G to A, when in most scales and instances you would just travel a whole tone to go there. If I was to go from G to B chromatically, here's my G note, and here is my B note on the 7th fret. I would play semitones starting at the G note until I get to the B note. So, to recap, chromatically basically means one increment at a time, or in the guitar's case, one semitone at a time. This has been another Guitar Guy Fundamental. Thanks for tuning in.